Hi guys!
Welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Before we get in the video, please remember to
share, subscribe, and
alright, you hear what the baby say? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time we drop a video.
Let's get into the video.
Today we'll be looking on the olive throat parrots and to see how they actually escape from their cage. Now in this cage there are two parrots. One is actually eating an almond and the other one is gearing up to start opening the cage. So here he uses his beak to latch onto the cage door, and from there he pushes the cage door up. So if you're looking, you will actually see where he holds it and he's pushing it up. Now he's on the edge. However, the cage door slides back down and so he went back inside. Again, he's pushing up that door because I can tell you this parrot is persistent. If you look, that's the second time he pushes it up and the door comes back down on him. But he's not giving up as yet because he is determined to leave that cage. As you can see, he changes his position. So rather than being on his feeding pan, he has 1 foot on the cage and 1 foot on the pan, and then he pushes the door up. And this time he is successful in opening the cage door, and he climbs on the cage to the top of the cage. But me not think gonna really see what I go on, because right after that video kind of dark. So we're gonna go over to the light video because the granny said, well, that must come to light. So let we see you looking at the light version.
A few moments later.
Again, I am in the cage this time and I'm in the coop this time with them. So he is not gonna try to come out while I'm in there. So as you can see, him crack it. He opens the cage a little, but he does not do anything. Better yet, he closes the cage back. Because guess what? As I said, I'm in there and I'm always the one to catch him. My husband allowed them to be about because they look nice outside. When they're on top of the budgie cage, they look real nice. However, I don't want one day I'm pulling the cage, the coop to go in, and they actually fly out on me. So I prefer, prevention better than cure. That is my philosophy. So I always try to catch them and put them back in. So here he is trying again to open the cage. I think I hear him this time because I'm in the cage, and so I'm coming to check. So he moves away and then he's back at it. I think I left now. I went outside to check on my gungo tree, and so he's gonna pull this cage and he's gonna make his escape. But unlike the last time when him left him look a friend in there, he might let out him friend this time. Look now. Look if you not believe me. Watch it. Keep your eye on the screen now. Look. See? One swoop. Out him gone. Him friend say, where you go left my brother? Him say, see it pull there. And him fly out too. Yeah. Them say them not stay in a cage. And now this is how they look on the outside. They are actually beautiful on the outside. But it's kind of dark again. So I'm going to position the camera so that you guys can see him properly. So look. Alright. Positioning. Alright, we're gonna position it properly. Yes, so you're able to see both of them. You see the one behind the cage, that's his hiding spot. So thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.